Meanwhile, Holy Trinity made progress to the quarterfinal round as well after defeating Haile Selassie 4-2 on penalties. The teams are tied 2-all on aggregate following Haile Selassie's 2-0 win in the first game, and Holy Trinity turning the tables this afternoon with a similar victory. Round as well after defeating